Here are some top-notch men's grooming tips that I'm willing to bet nobody taught you. The first one is your beard's neckline controls your jawline. What I mean is most guys usually let their neckline either just grow out completely, care to the wind, or they cut it too high underneath the chin up here. The sweet spot is usually to draw a line from just above your Adam's apple straight across your neck. A neckline that is too high makes your jawline appear tiny and weak because there's no contrast between the bottom of your chin and your neck. Or a neckline that goes too low just makes your neck look heavy and a bit disheveled and kind of sloppy. The best trick is to look straight ahead into the mirror, find the line at which your jaw meets your neck by taking something straight like your finger or a pencil, moving it under your chin until you hit the base of your neck, and then just lift your neck up and see where that line begins. The next tip is that your hair actually looks better on day 2 for a reason. Let me explain. Freshly washed hair is usually too soft and too slippery, and it's the natural oils that your scalp produces that your hair combines with that creates volume, texture, and separation. This means you should not be getting rid of those oils every day. In fact, you only want to shampoo about 2 to 4 times weekly. And just rinse with some warm water, not hot water, but warm water on the off days. But still use conditioner just about every day. Most guys out there are overwashing their hair into flatness. Tip number 3 is actually a fun fact, which is that beard oil is more so for your skin and not your beard. A lot of guys will work beard oil into the surface of your beard hairs only, and that's not good. I mean, you're not gonna harm anything, but the best benefit you get from beard oil actually happens way beneath your beard. It softens the skin, it hydrates the skin, it gets rid of beard flakiness, it gets rid of redness, irritation, itchiness, everything like that when it touches your skin. It's the same reason when you're gardening and you put some water on your plants, you don't just spray the top of the plant, you spray the soil instead. What's best is to put a few drops of beard oil in your palm, rub it around in your fingers and get some on your fingertips, and then massage it through your beard like that, getting underneath the hairs. What's optional but very recommended is actually a boar bristle brush, which helps spread those oils evenly throughout the beard and get underneath the hairs even better. Now our next tip is that fragrance placement matters more than fragrance amount. What you want to do is not spray your cologne directly on the front of your neck. A lot of guys do this. What you want to do is actually spray the cologne somewhere it can be trapped and absorbed into your skin better. Preferably somewhere with more body heat so that the fragrance can evaporate and last long. Somewhere like your collarbone, your upper chest if you have some hair on your chest. Even the sides of your neck as opposed to the front of your neck are better places. 1 or 2 well-sprayed cologne areas will smell better for longer than 5 just random ones. Our last tip for you guys today is going to be about a general grooming principle, which is that grooming is about contrast. Good grooming increases clean contrast. Clean edges versus natural texture. Healthy skin versus how dense your beard is. Controlled hair versus voluminous hair. And subtle fragrance as opposed to body odor. The goal with grooming is not perfection, but instead making the things you want to stand out, while reducing the unwanted distractions. So overall, I hope these grooming tips have helped you guys out a ton. I hope you're able to take use of some of them. I have tons of other grooming tips on this channel. If you hit the shorts videos or even the full videos, we've got tons of those as well. We would appreciate it if you guys liked and subscribed. That way you never miss another video with more good tips. So again, thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in another Volt video.